how to make Squarespace header smaller. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about on how you will be able to make your header in Squarespace smaller. Now, there isn't really any actual option or setting to be able to make it smaller, but there are several elements that would change the size of your header. Elements such as your logos, your site titles, and other images that you add on your header and other elements as well will contribute to the size of your header. So if you would like to make your header smaller, I suggest that, for example, your logo, I suggest that you make it a smaller image and change the different options over there. As you can see also, when I removed the button, it made our header a bit smaller. So the more option that you have over here, the more bigger the header will be, and the more you change it, the more the options would change. So the more things that you will move around, as you can see, the more things we play around in the settings, the more we change the size of our header. And that's basically it. That is how you could potentially make your header smaller if you are looking to make it indeed smaller, and even larger if you do want it to be larger. And that's basically it. That is how you will be able to do it. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.